Looking for an easy way to remove olives from your plumbing systems? Check out the Monument Olive Puller, specially designed for 15mm and 22mm olives. Its compression fitting locking nut ensures a snug fit, making the removal process quick and reliable. Crafted mainly from durable brass, this tool offers both strength and longevity. Whether you're a professional or an eye enthusiast, the Monument Olive Puller makes your job easier and faster. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the comment. Looking for a reliable tool to make gear removal easier? Check out the Rolson Gear Puller Set, a 3-piece collection designed to handle tough jobs with ease. Crafted from drop-forged high-carbon steel, these gear pullers feature reversible legs and bodies for versatility. With hex head forcing screws, you can use them with a ratchet or spanner for maximum convenience. Available in sizes 75, 100 and 150mm, these tools are perfect for any workshop. You'll find the link in the description and in the pinned comment. Looking for a versatile and reliable tool to make your pulling jobs easier? Meet the BGS 7696 Jaw Puller. Crafted from forged material for durability, this tool is perfect for both inside and outside pulling tasks. Its innovative ball tip design ensures a secure grip and precise operation every time. Whether you're working on automotive repairs or other mechanical projects, this jaw puller is a must-have in your toolbox. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment. Looking to make carpet removal easier and more efficient? The CCA Puller is your perfect tool for tearing out old or damaged carpets in both homes and commercial spaces. Its unique leverage system and serrated jaws deliver a firm grip on all carpet types, including glued down and stretched in carpets. Designed with an ergonomic handle and durable die-cast aluminum, it reduces strain on your hands, arms and back. Whether renovating or remodeling, the CCA Puller makes heavy-duty removal simple and hassle-free. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment. Discover the WIESEMANN 1893 Gear Puller, a must-have tool for every EIA enthusiast and tradesman. This sturdy gear puller features 3 strong legs measuring 140mm by 145mm, made from hardened chromium vanadium steel with a durable matte chrome finish. Its high-quality construction ensures excellent protection against rust, promising a long-lasting performance. Experience traditional craftsmanship with modern convenience. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment. Introducing the Laser Stud Extractor, the perfect tool for safely removing 6 to 12mm studs with ease. Fully adjustable to fit your needs, it features durable chrome molybdenum jaws for reliable performance. Need to handle larger studs? Check out the laser part number 4894 for 19 to 25mm studs. You can also get replacement jaws with part number 2291. Make your job simpler and more efficient today. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment.